All right, ready to paint here. Got this in 1000 grit and red Scotch-Brite. Decided to use a red one there. Just cuts a lot faster. Just do it real lightly and it works fine. Gonna tape the door off pretty much completely with just loose paper, so keep the sealer and the base coat off the door until I get ready to blend it. Got the inside mask off, the wheel well. I've got some foam tape in here, taking up this larger gap here that I had. And there's a gap in it still here, but I've got paper stuck to it there going in to cover the rest of the engine bay. This is back masked. Put paper in here just because it's easier than trying to pull plastic over and then the plastic sticking to the back mask. Just a little more convenient there. I'm gonna get probably 3 or 4 strips of paper to put on this door. And we're gonna get this in sealer. I'm gonna head out to lunch here in about 30-45 minutes, but go ahead and get this in sealer so I can let that be drying while I'm gone. When I get back, I'll put the base coat on it and I'll leave the masking paper there until I get ready to blend. I'll get you set up for the sealer. All right, that's probably going to end up sitting there for at least an hour and a half or so till I get back to do the base coat. That'll be. All right, the sealer's set for about, looks like about an hour and 20 minutes or so. I'll go ahead and just run the tack cloth over this real quick and we'll get going with the base coat. And we'll give it one more coat and then I'll pull the paper off for the blend. Here it is after the second coat. I actually de-nibbed it a little bit between first and second coats. Just a few little specks in it right in the top here where you'll be able to see it. And you can tell it's off some just because this is a sprayed finish. This is a sanded clear, but still it's off some. It's going to definitely need to be blended. And I haven't done a drop coat on that either, but I've got to go over this with 222S adhesion promoter first. All right, here it is after 2 coats. I wasn't able to do this in the usual order I normally do it in because normally I would spray the 222S adhesion promoter over the door and then wait and mask it off, seal this and put color on it and then blend into that adhesion promoter, but I didn't have time to let that adhesion promoter sit that long because you've got to clear coat it within 2 hours. So I'm going to take the color out of my gun and spray the adhesion promoter on the door, get a little on the fender and it's okay, and then do the blend straight onto that. I'll put my drop coat on and then I'll thin the clear and go on out with it. I'm going to go mix that up now, come back with that. Alright, gotta go put the color back in the gun. I'll be back to blend it. Alright, I'm ready for the blend now. I'm going to try to keep it contained to maybe the first third of the door, right in here, this area. That way it's under the mirror, and that'll help hide it a little bit too. I'm going to run the tack cloth over this whole area again, and do the drop coat on the fender and let that start my blend. And I'll probably end up thinning the base coat out after that coat. I'm going to let it dry for just a minute. I'm going to go thin the base coat out. I'll come back and finish the blend out. Alright, I thinned it out about another 50%. Went over it, stepped it out another 2 times. I'm probably out into, not quite halfway, but right about in here with the edge. You can see where the gloss on the door kind of stops. That's where I finished the blend, which is not quite halfway across the door. I actually blended in quite nice. Really can't tell much of a color difference. Give you this angle back here too. I think that's going to be fine. I'll let it sit here another 15 to 20 minutes. I'll get the clear mixed up. I'm going to use the Nason clear on this. I'm not going to use my high grade clear. This truck's not in the best shape. It's only got 55,000 miles on it, but pretty much every panel on this thing needed work. He wants to push the quarter panel out before he leaves for this trip. Just push this dent right here back out, right in this area and at the bottom. And then he said something about actually fixing it one day, so I don't know if he wants to put a panel on it or what. He may change his mind when he gets the estimate for that one, but we'll see. Be right back for the one more in about 5 minutes. Just about forgot to give you a shot of this thing before it left here. I just put the stripe and the molding back on it. Had a nib right there, one in the center of the door, and I think one here that I buffed off. Other than that, I'm just going to leave it. The texture matched well enough to the original. There's no real reason to cut it down at all. Just gonna leave it like this. I need to wash it, but that's the last thing, and aim the headlights. Came out nice and slick. All this up here is pretty much Dust free, amazingly. Texture match is pretty good. Just gonna leave that. Put a mini door handle in. Get it washed up and get it out of here. See you on the next one.